How to hide message button on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about hiding the message button on Facebook. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and make sure that it's updated to its latest version. Also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner from the Facebook homepage. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Tap on Account Center. Now from the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down and tap on How People Find and Contact You, which is under the Audience and Visibility section. So there are 4 different sections. The first one is for people with your phone number. So set the deliver your request to don't receive request. Do this for every single option available. Tap on don't receive request and you'll be done. You can also try changing your birth date to reflect an age between 13 to 17 and confirm that you're 13 years old, and this will hide the message button on your Facebook profile. So that's all for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.